In last video, we studied about the valency, that is the number of electron given, taken or shared by an atom to complete its outermost orbit is called valency. We studied that there are two ways to be stable. One is either atom have to give or take electron, or other way is to share electron. Okay. Now if electron follow this path, that is if atom can give or take electron, then it forms ion. Now let's see how it forms ion. Let's take an example. Suppose sodium. Sodium has 11 electron, 281 is electronic configuration. There are 11 proton in the center, in the nucleus, 2 electron in first orbit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in the second, and the 1 in the last orbit. Okay. Now to complete octet, sodium lose 1 electron. Sodium can give 1 electron. Okay. So after giving 1 electron, so minus 1 electron, now sodium ion is formed, that is 11 proton in the center, 2 electron in the first orbit, and remaining 8 electron in the second, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now here this is sodium ion. Okay. But here there are 11 proton in the center and only 10 electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Okay. So there are 1 proton is more than that the number of electrons. Proton carry positive charge, therefore this sodium ion carries 1 positive charge. That is because of 1 proton is more than the electron and proton carries positive charge, therefore 1 plus is carrying above the sodium. So this is called sodium ion. This is sodium atom. Now sodium atom and sodium ion, from both of this, sodium ion is more stable because of it completed octet in the outermost shell. Okay. So this whole process we also write in this manner also: sodium Na minus 1 electron gives Na plus. Okay. So Na plus is sodium ion. This is a positive ion of a sodium. Positive ion of sodium. Okay. Now this all the positive ions is called cation. Is also called cation. Cation. Okay. Now let's say about chlorine. Chlorine has 17 electron, 287 is its electronic configuration. So 2 electrons in first orbit, 8 electron in the second orbit, and 7 electron in the third orbit, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So to complete octet, chlorine need 1 electron. So it accept 1 electron. So here we have to write plus because it's adding 1 electron. So now this 1 electron is added in the last orbit. So here 17 proton in the center, 2 electron in the first orbit, 8 in the second, and already chlorine has 7 electron and 1 electron is gained from other. Okay. Now this is a chlorine ion having electronic configuration 288. Okay. But now in this case there are 17 proton and now number of electrons are 18. Okay. So number of electron is increased by 1. Electron carries negative charge, therefore chlorine also has negative charge at the top. Okay, so this is chlorine ion. Once again, chlorine atom and chlorine ion. Out of these two, chlorine ion is more stable because of stable electronic configuration. So this can be also write chlorine plus 1 electron gives chlorine ion. Okay, so this is a negative ion of a chlorine, and negative ion of chlorine, this negative ion is also known as anion, okay. So similarly, see now, sodium is metal and chlorine is sodium is metal and chlorine is non-metal. Okay, so like sodium, all the metal can give the electron, and like chlorine, all the non-metal accept electron. So after giving electron, all the metals form cation, that is positive ion, and after accepting, all the non-metal form anion. Okay, now let's take another example, like magnesium. Magnesium has 12 electron to 8 to its electronic configuration. Okay, so magnesium has 2 electron in outermost shell, so it gives 2 electron and form magnesium ion, that is Mg++. Why there are 2 plus here? Because it gives 2 electrons. So in the nucleus there are 12 proton in the nucleus, and 2 electrons are less. So number of 2 protons are more than the electrons, therefore magnesium carries 2 positive charge. Similarly, aluminum has 13 electron, 283 is electronic configuration. So aluminum gives 3 electron to other, and it forms Al triple plus. Okay, so this also we can write Al 3 plus or plus 3. Okay, so magnesium, aluminum, sodium, these all are metal, and metal form cation, that is positive ion. Okay, like another example, sulfur has a 16 electron, 2 8 6 its electronic configuration. Sulfur accepting 2 electron, because 2 electrons are less in the last orbit, so accept 2 electron and form as 2 minus. Okay,